Hello, I'm Joe with Yeatts Rug Plant. Today I wanted to show you a quick and easy solution you can make at your house, a cleaning solution using household ingredients. What you will need, you'll need some dish detergent liquid, simple white vinegar, and of course water. Another thing you'll need is a container. We use 32-ounce containers here, so I have one here. You can find anything, I'm sure, under your sink, any type of old glass cleaner bottle, anything about empty. So to make this cleaner, I've already added my water, and I have my white vinegar here. So I'll add that. We do 3 to 4 ounces per quart. So, for example, I'm doing 3 ounces. For a stronger ratio, you can do 4, which would be 8 to 1 ratio. But for a quart, I'm going to do 3. Again, 4 ounces is fine. We recommend no more than 3 to 5 drops. 1, 2, 3. That's enough. Once you start doing 6 or more drops, from what we've learned and noticed, it starts to get sudsy. And then you really have to rinse. This is just a quick method in between a deep cleaning. Again, you can use this on your counters. I do this at my own house to clean surfaces. You just apply it on your countertop, let it sit for a few minutes, come back with the damp or even dry cloth, go over your surface. Another thing I do here often as we're picking up urine contaminated rugs or water damaged rugs, I don't have time to run back and forth to the sink to wash my hands with soap and water or go find a hand sanitizer. I'll quickly grab some of this solution. We always shake it first before we use it. I'll just spray some on my hands. I can wipe till it dries, or I normally keep this towel with me I keep during the day that I can dry my hands with after I'm done. The beauty with this solution, the vinegar is one of the world's oldest disinfectants. So you have your disinfectant. Also with vinegar, like your hand sanitizers, it dries quickly. Your simple dish detergent liquids that you can use for your dishes, it doesn't have to be name brand. The surfactant acts as a cleaner. So you have the disinfectant and you have a cleaner. And again, it doesn't take much of either one of these, the vinegar and your dish detergent, to make a 32-ounce container of solution. And this will last quite a long time. This video has been brought to you by Yeatts Rug Plant.